na Ghana na Ghana so no mpuntu ne yehwe nti so obechema omra mechem sisi a won wo wabenim na tuma Ghana za ma ho no se wonfa mo hunhuna Ghana fo za yejani na manyame sande Morocco do yedwene ho entase nka no de ibitu mehihye mampanyin mu ahoroba ibi ankachi bia enne also people we use AI or they create BBT watching. I mean, there watch an atari binti. Oh yeah, roho. I'm so sad. There, in summer, how Ghana for or there ye kano, yen kauno. Na yirutu anamoni bi ezibo hunu na yeza divert attention. Oni nyazo home kesepa. Or ye just to divert attention because abronye na eya okachi honi. Ebe mfaso no. I mean, what is the use of it? No, I didn't.
I must say, Abronya Cassetia, JGB, Adenta Court, High Court. Quite of us, Casai, no one Casay intino. Whereas we book court on Nimtia. Na, so we book court in Nimtia, no so Tiambra. Processes were hard as a fado. Or there we invite no. Na, and far Crofo, unco, ibinimpo when she uniform. Na wonko mango no na mfane hye karib de yacho. I mean habronyo bi anyim no Ghana ha ongwa nko bebia enti so waka asem bi of which ame mun support de bia betina efirichi wa hye jaja horoba because I am running ezi ejuma sanyipa no mbremu no so take a decision bi don't take ni ya due processes wa as bafado nti there's no need to insult a judge but irrespective of that say onye ne da onye nde nso sabi amanyo sam ne yare ibibotuma akasem bi afutu no wom na nye de nda machi because waka kai en adecha machi because waka kai oye disheartening ma democracy no onzi mu nwie and yenye junta regime na kade sojafo nti wachi nda worichi adecha wakachi ne bia you and so on and so forth. The NDC was built under the influence of the military. Sande yina yim 79 the Kofabai. Nyakopon fa the currency ye JJ Rollins. Yim moba be ye in 81. Uzizima NDC zebe. Yim Kofa Sabia. What ye during that time? Ebusuafo za yim shishe. Nti yim there. Wanye ye kra sabi mwatitu bodamfo watitu nenyu ado kakra no kakra bi ozbo hunhura mofama zo ho nti imde NDC fee tutrasam President Mahama narampo akade ejina bebi akade se wakanyu odin na yemfa gidigidi NDC fo do wonyim ye pa Dam say I was so sad. There, I mean, you didn't go back at the o. Okay, young fam brand cancer as NDC for yin pa. Na say if a leader or a cadet say young fair giddy yendi ni pa. I mean, into those comments, Nina Rubia and Chibiao. Ibia and Chibia. Tam nambra or Yamana nambraba. Nambra or Chibia. It's send there be some about Oye Morocco do Western Regional. Ya beba home enti edenti na sabreno na MPP for suntimi emamra no nya adwuma na yejai NDC for ni sa. MPP yeji democracy dutu. Ehwe how MPP was built. Ehwe UGCC Mberdo Ozeba Bodru UP. Ozeba Bodru MPP. Ehu de bia ye leaders okasafa democracy. Okay. Na ye wo hia da nye unua betena da unua. Eba ma no kwan mo akasa de ono soso oye Ghana nyi. Oye me de no fen. Ebo President Akufo-Addo ne voice abofra ba bisa ne de. Na waka ho asama eye den. O se dam na na mo hwehwe. Ansa na meye bampen dam na mo hwehwe de. Bi botuma aka mo asam na menya akoma pa na metie ne yi. Na se bi mpa nka ho asama na chire enya ye penyina sabia wadwunim no ye fon na ye ibimpa e fata deze do menyim Damasam na abofra no bisa no no Bible so ɔsɛ wɔma mmɔframa no kwan wɔmbra me nkyɛn na wɔn no soro ahema no ɔyɛ wɔn dze eyi kyerɛ egya so a ɔwɔ na nado dankɔ akofo ado no mu enu fɛn mikyia na mekyia yɛn nyinaa hene nyidado Dr. Mahmudu Bawumia hwɛ nsamara NDC fo tuma wɔwewe nti wɔka fam Dr. Mahmudu Bawumia no ho ne mu biara nya nokwar papeza ho brase de ɔdɔ de nyamsuro dam nyipe ne yɛhwehwɛ na mgyinzi de ɔbɛba na ɔbɛyɛ dɛ ɔbɛkyekye Ghana nyi biara ɔbɛkasa biara ɔno so ɔbɛma kwan me biara kyerɛ na adwen demra mrutufo de onhia de bi betena console chi wahyehyɛ bi ahoroba no mgyinzi de dama so na dambre no onhia de bɛhyehyɛ panyin bi ahoroba na mmom ɔyɛ dɛ sebi kasa yɛma oyi na komem na ɔka. Intimidation will not solve anything. Intimidation will not put anything, out of context. There say oye there as the AIB as a how a juma or porter yanka. Say nurse far a catcher one day about automatically will be our nurse in biara a bena near post no. What's worry say and ya arrest no ba mo we free. A teacher for into mincha on the cow. What's what town and ya arrest no. Ɛna ɔbɛsesa bibiara koko ekuafo a wɔdze enyiwa todo kan sama kɛse de ɛba awodze ɛbɛbɔ ho mbɔ ho bɛyɛ ba asampo na gya amawan wa ketuem koko anto bag kor ne bo ɛde to wɔn anyim ansa na rebo na nka yipo wɔn kɔ gyina ansa na webua mampanyin gyina hɔ wa hyɛ ɔbɔ de amedze sama me ba 6,000 unsa baka.
Yeah.
Anyaza sabi oka sumai. Ose me bara, me ba na kokwe kwafo. Na kokwe kwafo wenyanyiji. Weguo kokodo. Na mbroswe. Na wakwatu wo koko. Wodi koko ya bade. Yura wana kan yotwa. Idi kan dada when the 500 bi de be hye. Iwie na se wontwa na mreba. Santo do boom. Onye kukufu ameni. So right. Sad. I'm so sad. Oh, them the men nyina nyanza ma osisi do. Ekeka, what's inflation? About 2%. I mean, what do you mean by inflation about 2.5%? Or ye there, them inflation na ereka ho asem no. Bisa wo there. E wona owo mu krom dompem. Ono was inflation was here then. And them inflation no wa ma one more anasaka ne bono wakofu mana se ebiri koto anopa okoto etu weda inflation no when impact on etu no bono do ane inflation no sisiara aketua oye de yedutua teacher fo kawo no dam 2.5 no ana no sunsu ado no o waketua ni mu ane nurse fo won posting no 2.5 no owuma ne nti se mpo na nkoye 30% mpo ana 25% mpo na se teacher fo we posi biara se koko ekuafo otum oto koko otua kawa na nka Ghana fo pe enti ba mo ntwetwe hena so with inflation enya 2.5% onyi any link onyi sabe onyi abrabo no onhia obebiara.
But say indicators say say wo mind ekoyi.
Say indicators be deza. Oido dezi won yekutokum. The enye bipo no baka o. The sisiara sabe market we watum kakramam. Koko anto bag yi sisia na bono wozi bi aka ho amayen. Sisiara me ye nurse yi market we watum. Na inflation ono nurse yo beta so. Na wuchire na double. A teacher for what can they what post one automatically on you what's it MPP aban and my be away training college or ben one more sana cultural exam the mazino on yard papa into by bitum a best still or two them sorry no if you have a catch inflation 2.5 on another change that it be a kranzama a boy no do tia MPP append no sisia na bono akosol 2.5 no ono na se chere den madam nipa no ebia na okoto spare part wa boso kan na ndaboko na spare part ne bo no wa double na bedua kada inflation 2.5 na onye wa wutem na ohye ebe 2.5 something ofin na whether it is real
who say artificial
AI no what they create and AI abeya what dey bibiare AI na what inflation because onye realistic oye there inflation yet no ye kotokum oye there biara abrance onye adwuma nye oye there ohun there NDC aban be ya was aban papa be na adwuma ebu me nya adwuma ye achechirefo otua won kaw am ye cheche yin ti na meka achechirefo mo
na what trade pen
pa me a teacher by profession. Okay. And I'm proud of it. Machazi won fancy man girls.
Okay.
And see teacher nyine how all your lesson notes na wako no akwachazi na se na ketua obey entum no ho kire no allowance po intua bi man na ewie na se 2.5 I mean no ono ota says akwahin. And see let's be realistic in determining the indicators of our economy. Mama, yen can try the 2.5. Ne yin yediba 2.5. On a nasa change that. Say spend a juma expand the base of your economy. Obviously, the indicators because expand the base of the economy.
Okay.
Na se sikane da ho
na juma.
Contractors in Chawankow, teachers, buobwe, nurse fo, ukita placards on them chrome. On Chawankow. Na Crawford's one that make report on to me. Obviously, inflation or Canada ho in use. A man in Yeduma. Or today, Edi Sikama, Eja, or Yenembati, Nanir, Nanembati, na Ejano, or this Kanakash pass.
Right.
Ekoba na bibi sende na sika na mzema also ho pepepe.
Okay. So and then beba the ordinary Ghanaian on the street say baby say and then beba maami on ne matifi obenu aduane. Aduane si wo ekom de ne ma na obe na adwene say wo mo aduane ne bindi. And then beba ma ban yi aka sika wo ho sika me spend it ni keep sika no. Why?
Because onyimide ne strength obotu abeka Ghana for you there the indicators are looking good. Nti wanye adwuma mpo a wuska ne di jam no oda ho wo gold na de ben no on moton gold na de ben no edi jam no on the moton na ya da toto na ma piece bi na yedi ne mmom akom de bi bedo no maka de indicators because ya na Ghana you use indicators literally you use indicators no on na ye de toaba the inflation ya hin interest rate ya hin those kind of rhetorics no yen down but realistically oye there yenya impact no.
Okay.
Obiara hu there oh the man na money a abani ba yoruti wa ma ya abrabo no oruko n'enyim no obiara boninse but ayeho samye there NDC for in opposition woza akohwichere Ghana for ama Ghana for obufu yen oye MPP obufu ipawo nti sisi a de mebufu no nya nkwai papa onam yawa na kohwisama NDC fuzi kire won
nti si o mo enjoy good one no
nti ama e ka asem no pa o wantasi on kwaye but Ghana for we say miss someone say yemfi de mebufu no mu ye ba fa once na ho ebufu no eburu yare ku na se ye so NDC fu ye pagya hondama da me yare ko ya mfi be ma yenwu ado no na bibiara se kra eti fiwe bufu no mu se ritema fiwe bufu no mu na ye nyina ye mboi ye na adwene mto emfa MPP NDC sampontu nchen ni ye ndwen Ghana ho ni ye hwede anamona woruti oya anamona orboa Ghana ne. That is a question we need to ask ourselves. Ye njai de yezi omano yezi zagwer because Morokodon amemedwene ho a mensase there is nothing practically going on. Man paying to me a bold catcher any day. Ghana baby a construction site anante a year and half on construction site no wahin
early days
ehu yazindama nyi wangu tena eko dam kwesini ebisa man pem because obia say oh early days but you confia bien anyi no until this is the time agrubo so fi anopa abaze eben hihye na ya to ho a o kire de oye early days nti enya botar obviously intum nkade ibirisi dan ende nti oye de owie ndara anachina but anye ye ne bohu de wado asase no do anye ye ne bohu de or to foundation nti nyim de wa kira bia wona afi mo ti biara obesi na yehu de wado asase do yehu de wato foundation in all aspect of our economy yehu bibia o man hope there yenya butara obeyeye. What is the hope? Mo from nka wenyi da donyi de abey the security agencies in Mpona Eriton forms na dachi bi wenye baby wa kwahye no mpo no adada ho na age wonska wara so nyim there thousands of people na wa apply no onye dam na mane na befa nyim clearly asada afakon bi do agije mo fame wo sika ada na bi send me message bi there sikampa no the bottom form dam da no
ni bi
oda kom onum nso 3 days ama wetu akoto forms no na moye ne ye onyi de osanso full car because no nyim de baby ofiri ba no edom no so doso nti
wa mantem a
orba besen po wa bankran no ahwe de nkran no obenya bia because also waka che ne de nkran no wo fa nkrofo pa nti ofi western region or bankran oba baby obeda also da park no do bazechi owie chede wenya chede onben hu baby such a person nenyi dado nyi de wa to aba ma NDC na NDC reman hope efre no osre boniface de yemfa nche no MPP fu fa nche no because so nyim de senka MPP wo ho a nka the way MPP yefa kwando ye selection no or ye transparent because ona nyim nankasa ni colleagues a all school a na onye won ye NDC a wonyina wo security agencies under NPP nti no nyim de senka MPP tina ho a nka dam anamon kono susu betum nyame aye na adom wonya na ize wokọ ho no mo tete no na chere nyim panyin bi mpa won faw nti na awere ho aka no onam koma oche ansana onye sika koto forms adada such a person agini sika na dwuna nyame behirawa na ewi a betra ka inflation 2.5%. Granted to put a 1, what is the impact? What is the impact? Carpenter nyo koto prego anokọ ne prego no ato do obia opamaze ne line na okoto ana ne line na what do no no so suppose nya impact wo nyipa na oze na tar ne tam oze abrendo mpam na ne ebi wa bono ho modern we dua bayer na wa bo no we kutu no wasoa bogu kwan ho onye bi mpo monto onye bra ye wo mo na Ghana kasa ya kasa dama ni ya command bi to the Burkina Faso they are called tomatoes ni abaton we Ghana fo ayro ene eko savannah regional ibinum were refugees we Cote d'Ivoire yenka ho asem aban papa aba ene Ghana fo refugees under this regime yenka ho asem sanda aban papa aba. Why are we doing this to ourselves? Kwa kra kohwe bola no remen nkrani ene nkran sorry city o sorry ebazo ayra hosam ekeka wasa aban papa aba. Why are we doing this to ourselves? Because ye bo funti MPP ze baza wo my benchmark kase we expectation Ghana for expectation da soul NDC di wabade an mo wabaye bia Ghana for pe
e den na man basa
7.3 medwuru sa
is it because of mo die wo MPP mu MPP bitima ye kase ana na
ujezinyi de abana ba wetu wakada abofra be bia odo ko secondary school free oye ujezi ebe so wehu osimre ba mama aban bia abofra be bia wako school free secondary school oboko ni free wa be ya ma ebi nsi da the whole world obi are kanfo abani enti ka ujezi mponyina de ma ba no de nyagizi wonu ujezi nyidan ujezi nyide abana ba na na ebi nsi da na each constituency wetu ato ambulance odama constituency biara ani yenwu bi dawo ujezi nyide aban bi aba na for the first time in the history of this world yenya mampanyina bezechira owo US wetu akade Ghana mwenya azipapa bi wo ho na me nso po nyame ma adom na me firi me vice president na be president adamazi na Ghana fo aye na me yebi onye drones a odi moja odi fi kro kesi ma do ko kurase a otu sebi iwa ni ye hwehwedo aban papa yi den aban papa ni de waba no redwen de abatana wonyem oboko aspiti na so onyi bio obio obahwe ni free aban papa nyi den de ye bodwen de ye be fi hen manual system ni ahwe technology the thinking of obia oyer realistic nana ni vision wo sore onu wasam ni yeriko aban papa nyi den aban papa nyi de abana moframa wonye adwumanye aka wonyina bom amwaye registration na se anya ye kura no mamu na adwuma bi na adwuma no so wonya training wo ma ya sanso ya migrate one yes one akọ adwuma on ye napco na was a ben abana ordering beyond the basket ordinary basket no osi ho no in terms of roads even infrastructure abana waye bi sinaban bia anya mpipi aban since Kwame Nkrumah time in terms of road construction. Obotum no yaba for debate. And what are we talking about? MPP abone then. Yes, expectation yantum ya nyani nyina mintu metna field min kada 100%. But in terms of growth, abani ya disen aban NDC mo worry en tukai. Even under COVID, yarba obe ya afimwa teacher funko school mafama tifie hwe menka ebusua wayaw hwe adeshi akesa ye hwere won manimu because of COVID inti onu mponi nyina akiri no hwe nzama yeye ma NDC fo won ka de krope a wo bayi was waye nti ye nyina yenyi dado damabri 2017 2018 na free SHS no nshasa Inti kienka one major thing they stated in their manifesto awobey yankopon adwetu waye one pe na mija kasa 107.3 na before she Ghana fu ye munti we take advantage no way rough na yenzo Ghana force we gbefu MPP mesra one the bebufu no ofri nelko se wazi na kwahye nsu ase se wazi na kwahye bobem nyaminti ye yesu moja no ende no fo ye di twene nyina am na bufu no nko na ye nyina ye nwuma ye mbo ehina nwuma na ehwe ndama orokodo sa na ndama orokodo no nye in all sectors onyo there's no hope. There is no hope. I'm telling you, there is no hope. Ehwe wo sha se enumdwa nsama kese an worka onunti 2025 obiase 2026 do be yakonakono but menyo kase enyi ba ya adwende 2025 po oyesin 2026 nti nyame ne yesren de na ro Ghana fo mobile na onka president Mahama na kuma no onjai de sabi Ghana ozero to atupre na omanenwan bill no hu the youth are suffering, teachers are suffering, nurses are suffering, the ordinary Ghanaian is suffering. Na onhwe kwana genuinely obotu we create ndwuma me say Ghana for yesu na ye ban no si ansesa oba ha oyen dachi because abana wa ba wetu waka there one district one factory. The mere fact of even thinking about it on your vision in there or that district be your factory on no idea bonabado ya bodama banabado osana sa ban bia ba na see one factory what district bia ma come jizi there nke wo factories are brands wo yedwuma
ntu say NDC for the MPP for baby
na Marco de amedwun ho amentaso 1.5 years want to mean anything Formula 133 Formula 133
24-hour economy
24-hour economy ayin fa na dem 24-hour economy owo sisi a robbery mum na wo ye ne nufa wo ye bia homachi kronobono ma enne team enne nkan Ghana fu nyina ye nyu agi team ho le obi bobola nipa no na chiro fi soro bay ye man fans nde atete na kom na hienti wa hwe footballer no wa bonitu pay we kunu kwa abahwa dam dwuma ni na nkoro kofom dam abrabo ni na rokofo sisi wasana page bio why na ekaka aban papa aba why rough eka ya pe aban papa aba really
right then e beba CS so krum ha asofofo mpanyifo krum ha imamefo akesefo krum ha obi abeka na no atum
me say dam same asofi ebi tum gina efrido o katon sa fia koduru Abidjan de aban wanhwe mo wan sign oye LGBTQ+ 111 na ne hu kaka inti aban ya banbon ama Mampain Mahama ma yetase de won obara damade no obahwehwe no wa sign oba na no de nsa ahase enne what is the faith of this asofi the same asofi na obo mpa free akọ Burkina no they are all quiet na oye mbandama na yen hope na yen future no onye den wo Christian sumu and they are not talking. Asofu must stop being politicians in Ghana. They must stop it because ekochapu dem ho a obia NDC ni ho NPP ho other political parties so you must serve as a father. Now if you want commentaries nibia oyetan oma jezina yaze twakra no orukofom because entum kan chrem de LGBTQ+ oyaze papa mami methodist nyametia menjin ntum enti sere kade seba na be sign na bravo be sign yehwe na nado danko akufuado nowhere I will be to my coach him there or kade on sign that I say parliament yem pass a bill no the man brats no a pass a bill na the brenna do know be sign what pass and pass parliament ye pass a bill what the come and what that sign pen obi the court there me adibi section bi wo dan bill mu a ameze me hu anya adwen it be the court sabe Mampain na nado danko akufo o no oje democracy tum ebi za akokota enya court na batwa ma court za aba enti se nkampo na court wie na wo de ben wo ka de abrant ma ba ka chen ye mfa yedwuma na se nka Mampain na nado ansign na nke wo bi ka chen no enti why must we blame na nado danko akufo ado adina nko na nyim obi no Ghana nyin wo ko raise an issue no de court and now President Mahama aka chen de out there bara no matter what be sign nti or there parliament what printed that bill no what the brand more sign or china parliament bill no ho one from brand more sign because mentasi
but say am pass wo man yimra so dwafia obey dey assent ya na obey dey sign
ya pass that do You know, say, oh, him was signing, no, Nanko was signed that do. Oh, your campaign, also, Nanko was signed the dado. I do ya pass that do. Enti mamu on far private members bill and call on ye into collective decision, non ye nation wide a bill. Now, means I, yon ye pediate.
On sign.
Magana for pedo would say, and there, Bill Nelson and Nadu Danko for one sign. Now they're barra be sign. And kada baba bill for fro. And kada baba shomo. As a bill no edria na sign. Consistency is key. Best say you are Mahama. Them nkrate no odo so amampo from a cocker park diamond. No one print it. No for man one sign, no for the sunshine immediately. Na Ghana fo wo de asama kan we do. Sam George tum katsina efrechi no wakade aban biara onyim nyansa. Na worth ne start no. Or there o use 2 weeks maximum or the solve galamsey.
Yeah.
Anantibi.
Okay.
And the kohwe yensu ne nwam waye. Kohwe.
I just require a PowerPoint presentation on Galamsey.
Can you imagine? So also na Sam George okwa the chapel ane
na sorry ba no. Oye da.
Perez so say.
No see Perez.
Why you do Ghana?
Why former deputy lance minister paying and a bit is yeah PowerPoint presentation a man for sorry yes so sorry yeah and I galam say kumyo adia ba kokra man people lose ye kasa illegal mining no western region when him say mining e koso ho pa wona free ho ba bibia sesana
hwe me wa benim betina hakade dam galamsey no any country biara wo to mining wo do biara no ebi wo ho no ayaza oye kanka oho wadwen nti your experience Brazil, Peru, China, even in South Africa able to adopt in Ghana. And the challenge and the solution is not to ban mining. I'm making again. Because mentasi.
But MPP banning mining.
Yes, in my own government, Mamikade, are you correct? The solution is not to ban. That is why I started the work at the Mia Galamsey, because of that statement I made. But minimum my mining, Monsieur mining. 107.3. Minye practically min call mining site in Nkutu mining da. But I've learnt mining. Monsieur mining governance at Oxford University. See, my PhD is in mining or Bradford University. Me mining metase. And the perspectives from other countries. The solution is not to ban. Makadam say, hey, oya galamsey ni binti now say there. Mamu ban. But I still stand by it there. The solution is not to ban. The solution is to engage communities. The solution is to have oil security agencies are locally pegged. In Subia yenyim no source to the end. You build security post advantage points. You commission this security boise along the banks of these river bodies. Every anya 2 days be ordered to helicopter from the source to the end of the river to patrol the river body. Provide them resources. There's a value chain or either one reporting system or go through to the military. And it's been adopted in other countries. Why you Juma? Inti sebekaya ye trainee nkrofo from river guards.
Yeah.
And na NDC by one so by in blue water guard. If you blue if you see na ninwa ye maruni. Ninwa ye gwam. Ene obo patampo obo pata obonsem. Insu middle. They have the guts to mine. Obiankare. Because of what they said. Because President Mahama promised them there. So ba one away galamsey na obeja one. Why chi wono gumya obeja one. Into I am boldin one.
But not in a vacuum. Or can say ye won crofo or mu ye galamsey na nkasa ho. No mu aye chichiro mo ne ye nkran kuma ana.
Inti big shots no one.
Onko for mumra.
Onko for mumra. Go and bring them. One anum
7.3.
Now you there rhetorics. Adana Mekano, one of your sister stations there. Police opinion pa. What's it? Honorable Sanko position and come up on there, galamsey.
Ah.
Yes.
You to be catcher on.
Yes. Also Sanko
a whole lands minister no ye
galamsey.
No we because
of the lies. And this for okay. What's it? Until echo position. There's no one concession that is even assigned to any of your allies and now yourself.
No concession.
Maybe I'm concession. And I told them, and I still stand by it. Meaning one concession. Me Juma or Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources. Manto ban asasi one or minsem. I don't have it.
Obia was your mining na Western region. Or muye mining kesia pa wo. You say from a good yo. I didn't hear now person baby.
I serve where my mom experience be. I was the municipal chief executive Watakwa. I was President Kufuor the time. Na yen assembly. Maybe I more assembly office no. Na me honing yenti yesi ye be for ni yesi. I heard yes so hen then. Mama say I say honorable the mass I see na meze more de won fancy one assembly no. More than a nyina so madam wa personally.
Okay.
I told him that I don't want it. On fani nyina fanka assembly nize no. And obia nyimba ya adwuna otakwa there. Or ho enclave ni I don't have even a plot of land. But on him at that time. Oh mom, asase there. Minje iyi. But mkade that is not what I need. Musum mama na musum from akumem. Not what I will gain out of it. Inti se ibiri yedwuma ne mom eze akohwisam ede totono do a omma no onkoye bonu enihwe asfa me kan wa bra mo wo abeni munyi there. I get worried sometimes there. We even blame the Lands and Natural Resources Minister.
107.3.
They don't know what they galamsey. Dead then.
But when edwuma
Security agencies in edwuma. This is a security apparatus. On Lands and Natural Resources Minister. On watching you two. Anything illegal, who is responsible for it? Ghana ha, adibi oye illegal bia, one oye responsible for it. And you blame an idea kasa na Lands and Natural on obeden because he may also want his sector to be clean. Ni man kan sector ni ye.
Njama kofi bo osun. Just by the way.
So Osanara, because in some huna waka also Okabi. And he's confused. Okabi, there or the Lands and Natural Resources Minister no, on or na was stop. Okabi. And to ba fatedo obosun. Oh, no say ada oye aboa kokosechi. Maniti mututuin. So ye kwa de bia.
Yes, you know.
Oh. Nsama oye de a credible leader ekano enka ehun de binum di nsam hu so di nsam hu sabi nti he deserves it because okay nti enne Ghana for so expert there Kofi Amabo abefa gun na ko field ho na ko shoot bi ehun nyansa wazo Mekade, it is not the responsibility of the Lands and Natural Resources Minister to curb illegalities. Any responsibility. Or the security apparatus. That is their responsibility.
107.3.
And to be condemned, I will say it's same. Sometimes you'll be there and the national security will even write to you. There's galamsey going on at Ebia, Amansie. National security.
But Ebia will seek permission and now I'm back on that.
You are responsible for illegalities in Ghana. Why must you even write to me? Why must you write to the minister? The illegalities record Amansie. Take action. Enti say robbery kodo baby must you write to the defense minister before you get the person arrested, or interior minister before you get the person arrested? You arrest the person. That is your duty. Anything illegal under the ambit of our constitution or fall straight with the security agencies. Enti America, the security agencies on the wall lift up their game as far as this is concerned. Obviously, we take security agencies we need the support of the government. Obviously, it is a cabinet will take a decision. You resource that apparatus to work. And resources the security agencies to work better. Now, BBI Basa, go to the ministries. Go and find out. Go to the commission, minerals commission. Nyamaya won regulator operator. Regulator mu operator. Intinara debia wanenam. Basa nyamaya basa. So sad. There power play. Appointment of directors obi wo ho a nkankan obi answer a commission, minerals commission ebe rise to the level of a director no go through the mill. And the party apparatchik bia no appointed no be a director without any experience whatsoever abe director because na abampapa aba nti industry na wonrai basa people are crying nipa wa fa industry ni nyina hwe ame meje local content tumpa.
Okay.
There or ye ye bua Ghana fo ye build Ghanaians in the mining sector. Nti or one of the areas I championed as a deputy minister responsible for mining. Champion the Ghana fo benya sabi ahoden no wetu mo mine sika na ka Ghana hara. So ne Ghana yi onye sika obua. But you can't pick and choose. So genuinely, if you are building on local content, you build on local content. Your companies are kesi waha. Our Ghanaian owned companies. Now me expert today. You go to me abu one. A bit today, Rabotech, Max, Rockshaw, BCM and so on and so forth. Remember one example. Rockshaw, in a mine. Now go to bauxite. Aban so gear deck ama or serve as a purposeful vehicle ono no be gina ma aban nti oye Rockshaw were 30% na oye gear deck so 30%. Rockshaw was 70% na gear deck were 30%. NDC by pay we good process aka ratification in parliament. NDC by pay what's it that be Rockshaw no and now no fi Burkina until on Rockshaw Ghana you wait why je finish him because essay Gear Deck is not even interested in the partnership anymore. Until Rockshaw no de ono onkwada na awo unuane de Ibrahim ni de ono you are adding on apart from there Ibrahim our other companies akese to the Sankofa to the Black Volta asanso atam daman adaman
basa ban yi say omo tendai and on na network capacity no so bit me.
And honestly another sad story where on earth a being see that we are that for nyina I will be tender for 7 days, technically crown pono for 5 days
because
holidays weekend home
near be this
yeah we pono now 4 days. You want to select a good mine. How do you do that? Because obianyim there say a tender anye yimpo 1 month. You to access each respective applicant no access one ye. Into within 4 days, you know, even on a money 2 years, I do who there. EMP no are the best. Na Heath and Maripoma and Vortex Resources de one day one papa. These companies say Heat go fields now. Next one record. They are far better. Technically, were better, far better than the company that was
Ibrahim Mahama. But some koya
because one of they are mining already mining.
7.3.
But some koya assessment.
I was assessing one. You see, some of these things, no, say area of one sir, no, I was one sir. Hey, you rock shot watching. Now, when you are the day, is it because of the plane meeting in Zana? Is it to facilitate and lure you to give him more concessions? And the people in the industry are not happy. They are not happy. The BBS one yet, who you are there. I can also over bet you. One match him, my ready. So I know you are there. On the day. On the papa. How can you do this? Yes, you are doing now. You know. And yes, so mining concessions or Ghanaian than Ibrahim. Now, Ghanaian. Is that what we are saying? Mayor Wasafia Sini. The mine or Wasafia Siasasido. And as a son of Wasafia Se, I am a yow. There, our Babafa, one could see any poker. Wasafia, who don't even have a stake in that mine. Wasafia saying for if you are listening to me. Yeah, really. No, yes, can Uzuguananka.
Munya royalties being free.
What is it? Where is it? Adanam Rekade EMP as a member of parliament for 8 years. There's no single project that EMP for from the Young Konenko Commissioner, Yaya the Madia Dabua constituency. Not a single project.
Wow.
7.3.
As part of their corporate social responsibilities.
Ibrahim Mahama company no.
EMP can want some 9.
Wanya de bia mo community bia wan tibida.
As a member of parliament, at least for 8 years, me who one project po. Abutum catch them there. Meanwhile, I will na a year contract miner. I will go fields. A mining for go fields. Go fields if you are mining for 1 year. They built a stadium during my tenure. We constructed Oye Bogoso Junction to Damai Road. We constructed Oye Post Office Road. Na nango enclave woni nyina. Minim commissioning of schools, minim clinics at least community centers at least I witnessed as a member of parliament. Timotuma kanwasam. Anglo Gold me petition one me sira wana ma and there will see a multi-purpose community center for the people of Takwa. Anya ye kra GMC waye Tamso Junction to one company ho ukusan ko see Aguna Oye community center was the ma'am. Missy, there wasn't a single day at EMP. What can do? Why toilet be hanti and a pipe be bohum punti and commission. Not a single day. But sometimes go fields now will deserve because the actors within the go fields no so what my politics I wonder.
107.3.
Actors within the go fields what my politics I wonder. They tilt towards a particular political party. Until you deserve it. Yeah, baby. There are old adults here. Ancient time no mining, no abandoning Takwa and other areas of Boise and other jurisdictions. Until when those abandoned pits, young create na government abandon on boa, non facilitate on for mining equipment in Kahun. If I'm boy you to know when you do mining,
like
community mining.
Okay.
Into a community, one community mining concession could take about 5,000 youth. Into a BO or ye Akon, our friend Takwa community mining. There is another one at Brahaba Bomb on so or you far away from Goldfields because it was our tenure as MPP. Yam fanya community mining Goldfields for say dabi honedi ya onye ye. NDC for by the what you obey ye. What jam and them in your say. NDC for they have used there for community mining. Now Dama, what perception are you creating? NDC MPP for the Yamakan fire community mining. But NDC for bad there or you good for community mining. Some of these things all got well for the image of the company. Or you there, sisi amenyo kase, eko mining sector na. People are sad. We are gold board. Transparency. There's no transparency.
Our gold board.
Our gold board. What do you see? Eba account wabayamahen as Ghanaians. This is the quantum of gold we came to meet. So far, Mwakenyi. Debiada yeto dam number of gold. Yeton sa dam fasuni yenya. Na ya build individuals bia. Dam individuals on so I publish one names. These are the people who want to go.
Any BM report to my BOG, Bank of Ghana.
Bank of Ghana is for who? It's for you and me. You need to report to Ghanaians. You can go to Parliament. You can go through Parliament. It's like catch them will be a acquire account in Parliament. Fine case. Now, even when MPs were file a question keko a motion, the speaker allow us na Parliament gold board is and same speaker dismiss, we are not interested. That is the situation we find ourselves in Ghana. For ebufu na wabe yemu wo menyi fi akumem ate ni ahwe ni ya ebe menyi ado no na Ghana why poto and this wonye ndi ni ye o Messi MPP bay within a year and two ehu the indicators ehu there Ghana ye ku yenyim mekade ye call conference in South Africa or in Daba mining in Daba or Cape Town. In 2018, President Nana Danko Akufo-Addo man standing ovation. He deserves to be the president for Africa because now the man clear until there COVID bubble boom. So why are we doing this to ourselves? I mean, ma ohom power Ghana ha a hypocrisy. Nyachum. Oyado odi eninya papa. Odi eninya. Odi eninya. Se enka your measure ibia by no words. Nin samo kaka na nka dachi ni ya access na nkobo boyen. Ebi na America Sam George ni nasemi. LGBTQ. Nya papa ni. Oh, Galam say, 2 weeks. BBI correct. Now, to ni nam baby. Oh, Coco. The mabani needs me a zen. Eba Coco na. Ya 6,000. Bakara harvest. Ene. Where we are. Chede musuma. Moframa washase. The future is bleak.
Emma Ghana Mabun.
We need to sit up and ask relevant questions. Ni enja TikTok ya debi ani na muna concert nkuti ni yeri. Let's ask relevant questions, sir. Obo probe your leaders, no. When who there, they have people to serve. Nanya sabi concert. Nan someone fata. You need to work harder, extra to achieve the real demands of the youth. Ya hwene ya. Mbebu no oboso against yen because of your leadership style.
And who sa leadership style ni bi wen this mu?
At all, Chede, there's no hope. I'm not seeing any hope. That is what I'm telling you. There's no hope. Chede, ma oya irritate mu ponyi there. Bono afa nipa be 7. How do you start your video no? Na nkoko bi kita wan. No we mi akoko ni tu na akoko no oso fin. No say nkoko nkitikiti project. I mean, how? Eben oman no yi serious ah. Obey the mati. Maybe us Mahama we man 10. Obi us man 12. Oh, is it for ritual? And or for real situation mobi na brabo akoni nyim. Ana nkoko what dey to mazana what dey sunsu mazana. Because a country that is serious, you know, ebeko na ehu the youth, you know, owo asisi sebi heart bi ankoko wonu bu na ze wo ho a onya nkoko at least 1,000 beds mpa. Na so realistically, you know, you are improving the lives of some youth. Obviously, you be an abotum. Enyebi. Na akachi 7, ada may be. Na achi 12, na ada may be. Nei anya akonfusama no ebade. What they call ritual.
Ankoko nketenkete ye abosomsem.
Na 7 na 12 no mama 12 no mama 21. Hwe numbers na wo bobo no. Oye weird. My man 15, my man 12, my man 21. Aba sem suni. Why? Are we serious as a country? Are we serious at all? There, if you are building a life, a new life for Nipa, create sanka yes each district biarampo. Aye farms. How they create reputable farms. Na farmer youth 20 munko hwe them farms you do. No manage na competitively no. Inka each year reward the best farms. Na hwe obesi. I support farming. I support piggery and other all. I support it. But yede ya manyosam adwenu so yede ya manyosam. Why? Akachi nyama akukọ 17. Why was some suni? As a country, I mean, no serious country would do this. No serious country would do this. Oh, now most of me akukọ no pono say country be obecho because you are disturbing.
Sir, Trahama me na hear me pa. So no much in the end.
Wo miano akukọ na miano no so fefe awu na akukọ no kire no ebi onpo no oja na anam de wewu. Why? The akukọ no so by force won the akukọ kita won. It's sad o.
Right, me ni fiasem kakra ya breninti. Western region MPP no me saying.
Sisiara yeah internal elections. MPP generally, and so far amombo Justin Kodua na pamfo na bado. The wama so far the BBI transparent. Wa grant amnesty to one pa wako independent, one wako NDC. Yes, will be ambrefie. Now there's a caveat. The omo amnesty na chere on probation. Odi hu de usubana
edi free mu no
asesa. Na bi no ha wonya amnesty na no. Wo pere wo mo post. Wara mu sabia utu nyina ya atentehuru. Ese ko huruja. Aba oyede ba eye soba.
Na odi akiri.
Na di akiri na sua. The one of other constituencies na wa mo na amnesty na wo ba ya wo ye chanchanhene no wonjai. Aba no nyabuta. Anamon etu du ko independent yanamon papa.
But then na party mranika.
Party mrani chede se ekọ na eba. Oyede sum for 2 years. Ni hudo wa asesa. Ye nipa sisiara de I reformed. Nti botum ye de too much onsa. Na wara mu amana na eka ne name aba eba yese wonya o electoral affairs manager awumpo na behwe yen internal election do. Ni nyim nsema ba kaka kire NDC na independent fona. Ni emfa MPP election nsha wonsa. Na be yeden. Mpocho se kwai na aba. Ye independent na aba, kwai this na aba. Man from elder of the party. Enye elder of the party. Elder of the party bia nyi ho beja akọ independent. elder of the party bia nyi ho a obeja akwa NDC na sanaba aba anya elder bio sana elder na kwa ya aba ya atu post do Pentecost asompo elder na eja akwa bia aba nsan elder obeja elder no botu pa nsan na akọ nta ba nsan ba elder ya da so na edo aso na nkanje aso na nkọ nta aba no wada ba bosum na Pentecost aso wo hwe de anan asesa ne ebi mpo na ko bo bra boni bi a onfata nta aso no botu say elder mpo anadikin po wotu eba enye ba ya na wa ma elder no be ma asoma mfi na asofo no wa hwe usuban asompefu no wa hwe usuban da asesa indeed ansana so be restore opposition po wa restore am ahwe ne yepa no wa restore ni bio because of anonymity nti service some western regional sisi amenyo kasedi ohoye form party no ayakono a ye gudu a registration ehwe na ekore nkofo a wasalaya ni hu de wonwuma wotu nyanye odo adada me NDC fo ashada dada hwan ke kansam de kire hwan moto won asum nti binuma party no ankasa no onyi wa akomam no wode bufu wode kwai but sisi we hu de the man amon wotu no onya na mon papa timoto to asa MPP fu nyina de MPP onye kra na onye NDC MPP is far better in all aspects than the NDC. Since you're NDC for Wurusu, why are you disappointed? Very disgruntled. Sunday, once more catch you na when would I acquire some? Nanya ye cry a brantia would be a cut. Medasi na papa bi bisa sembi ose ayensu river wa se kra mijizi de we free odu echi the best security agencies no won kohwe na nka we da ayensu wo central region we da home pose nka mining is a when nyina wa se nsu ni nyina wo twitwa no plot I am very sad intimate aban don fa nancy form na galamse issues no ohwe 2 I am sad there 7 months now and pass so there takwa nsu wonya pipe ni bimpo no wano because bonsa was shut down. Very sad. 7 months now wonya nsu da ni na ndisi abani mo nti wonhwe President Mahama na no dom wo tema if so aza all ho nyene watakwa pa traffic these days the takwa alone ebotum obi tumi di almost 2 hours.
Like then
akwan no nti e besre the link roads ihia link roads and town roads ye wo abanum ye de tamso na oye brain achinim link roads nya ma contract e besre wonchi contractor no kaw no wontum nya de medwuma no dompim town roads simpa town roads nsoayem town roads benso town roads ni nyina ye de ma contractor there wonhwe nti abanhwe na on easy traffic now wo takwa no because takwa we are really struggling the amount for ko adwuma mpo a wo brepa ansana we tun akoma police fo no so rebre efi so mafutu kakra meze ma MPP fo nyi de NDC aza wotum ye pan de wo so seed of division in MPP wo ye good pa on papa mumra MPP nti wotum wonya MPP fo na sabia wo fi NDC ba no no wa used to be na wa maniska na okansam bi de gugugu yetirim wo me nda ye hodo because NDC fe hu de won no adwuma won tumi ye na mo wotum ayan de wo create division within the MPP timponcho MPP wo me nka ye humbom yenjai etim na akam yenfa checha ye no ho yenka ye humbo ano na se ye kaboma kwan biara do ebotum ye win 2028 ma Dr. Mahmudu Baumia nhihye pa na adwene pa na nyamesuro na kokuduru a wonu mu no wotum wabada ne zida abo Ghana na bono meze masam be wie kura no mo wo ku bi a wo fra hon attire base wote pa wazi waka fa speakers abisi wa e kase we buenu hu ha attire base na enufa bia wo bodin wo ho nti emde da chi wose me fom bra wo pede wo
ye be ko ho
nti mahwe na ya konta tire base fo mi chia hon papa mo bokru ni dina ma mbo ades na hwe ne obobrom Adam Zanka Mobobo Wazin na Mijine Freedom Mima Wanyina Jo Michia Chairman Bename so pa Nenufe Mimdo so orite Yamisha Wanyina no yon kese Yame ya doma weekendi ubohumenyim.
Right. Yes, say Lawyer George Meku Duka Esquire for your time this evening. God bless you.